Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. So it's been a while since I've reacted to the Rampage with Exile Tribe. Hey, konnichiwa. But someone did leave me some links and stuff to react to for the group because I really do love me the Rampage. I try to watch all their IG live that they do because I love that group. Riku, love you. This is Call of Justice music video, so hopefully let's pray to the gods above that YouTube won't block this video. Oh, it's animation. Give it to me. Wow.
Let's go. Limit night create I'm like a scandalous. Now on the macho says no power. Losing like you go down. Turn on that you give me a hit it. My you was doing do it. About time to knock my motor time and run it.
I love you, Rico. He looks so good. Love this animation. Oh my god, can we just talk about how Rico looks? Oh my god, I think that's a gorgeous man. Oh my god. Bang it down, hey, bang it down. Go, go, go. When it comes to their dance breaks, it never disappoints. Go, go, bang it down, yes. This animation is it's crazy how the animated characters resemble them in real life. So whoever did this animation for this music video with the animated character and them, how they dress alike with the animation character, perfect. The Japanese never disappoint when it comes to their detail. Detail never disappoints. Oh, I like this. Come on, giving us fight sequence. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, Rico. My heart can't take. My heart can't take. Bitch, yes. Bang it down. Come on. One. Get down. Oh my god, Rico. I can't take it. Bang it down. I can't. Oh my god, it never disappoints. Bang it down. It's Pride Month. Perfect. Oh my god, look at the detail in that drawing. Bang it down. 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 So, as you guys can see, that was a Rampage from Exile Tribe, Part of Justice music video, giving us live action and animated action infused together music video. I think they're one of the first to do it. I've never seen this before done in a music video setting, but what do you expect? The Rampage never disappoint. That's one of the best from the Exile Tribe to me. The best. The Exile Tribe as a gold is not but beast. Singers, rappers, and dancers within that tribe. Beast. So thanks to the one who gave me this recommendation. I really do appreciate it. And trust and believe me, I keep up with the Rampage on Instagram and Twitter. I keep up with them. I haven't reacted to them in a long while because YouTube keeps blocking my videos. So hopefully YouTube won't block this one. But let me tell you something, Riku, I'm here for you, sir. I love you. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you as I do. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.